Hello all. So now we'll see about language accepted by deterministic finite automata. So we have seen how the DFA is being represented through the transition diagram in the previous lecture. So in today's class we are going to see what kind of languages can be accepted by the deterministic finite automata. So again I have taken the previous example only so that the complete DFA concept can be understood. So now let us see, there is a string called as 1 0 1 1. So this is the given string for us to parse from this above given DFA. So how to parse this? So as we have seen that our start state is Q naught. So our machine will start its parsing from this Q naught state. So from the Q naught state, if it takes this 1, then the machine moves to which state? Now from the Q naught state, after accepting one input symbol, to where the machine is moving? It is moving to the Q1 state. So hence the next state will be Q1 state. Now, what is the current state of the machine? The current state of the machine is Q1, that is represented again here. So, the machine will enter into this Q1 state. Now, from this Q1 state, what is the next string to be passed? What is the next symbol to be passed is in the Q1 state, next symbol is 0. So, in the Q1 state, where what is the transition we are having for the 0? It is self loop, right? So, in the within the Q1 state, so if it takes this 0 as the input symbol, then it will remain in the same state only. So, hence, we are going to the machine is going to remain in the Q1 state only after passing this 0. Next symbol to be passed is 1. So within the Q1 state, if the machine passes this 1 symbol, then from the Q1 state, after taking this 1 as the input symbol, then the machine moves to which state? To the Q2 state. So hence from this, after passing this 1, the machine will enter into the Q2 state. Now, what is the current state of the machine? It is Q2. We are currently in the Q2 state. So now, within the Q2 state, after taking this symbol, that is 1, where it is moving, it is remaining in the same state by taking this self loop. So here, within the self loop from the Q2, we can pass 0 as well as 1, but each value for each loop. So because of this, from this Q2 state, if it passes 1 as the input symbol, then it will remain in the Q2 state only. So currently where the machine is, it is in the Q2 state. Now, as we have passed all the given string and we are in the state called as Q2. Check whether Q2 is the final state from the given DFA. So yes, Q2 is the final state because Q2 is with the two concentric circles. Yes. So because of that, Q2 is the final state. So when we go on parsing like this and ultimately if we reach at the end to the final state, then the given string is called as accepted string. This is called as accepted string and it is accepted by the above DFA. If say for example, if I go with only 0, 0, 0, 0 string, say for example, we are having 4 string to be passed for this same DFA. Now again, from where the machine will start? The machine will start from the start state called as Q naught. So the machine will enter into this Q naught state because Q naught is the start state. So from this Q0 start state, it will parse the 0 string. Now where from the from this Q0 state, the machine will take self loop for the 0 input symbol. So it will remain in the state called as Q0 only. Now again from the Q0, the machine again will scan for this next 0, this 0. Okay. So next again from the Q0 state, again the machine will take a self loop because there is no other transition for this 0 input symbol to the next state, isn't it? Because there is a transition from Q0 to Q1, Q0 to this Q1 by taking the 1 as the input symbol. But currently our next symbol to be passed is 0. So for this 0, the machine is remaining in the Q0 state only. So again the machine will remain in the Q0 state. Then again the machine will go on scanning this 0, and then again it will take a self loop. Then again it will remain in the Q0 state. Then again from the Q0 state it will pass for 0. Then again it will take a self loop. Then again it will remain in the Q0 state. So now we have parsed all the given string, but the last state which we are in is Q0. This Q0 is not the final state because Q0 is not with the two concentric circles. So because of this given string is rejected. This given string is rejected. So how to check whether the given language or the given string is going to be accepted by the DFA or not is through this method. So we are going to start from the start state Q0, then we are going to pass individual symbols within the given string, then ultimately to which state we are going to reach, no, that state should be the final state. Then then the given string is accepted by the DFA. So with the above example, with this particular DFA, this is the acceptable string and this is the rejected string. So these kinds of the languages with the combinations of 1 and 0 are going to be parsed by the above DFA.